Nice, chase that ball.
Come on back, Kevin.
Hard back.
Go, you got it. Nice stop.
Nice.
Way to come back.
He
All right,
should
Alex,
go.
go.
Get up there.
Yeah, he's good.
Nice, Alex.
Silver ball.
Nice pass. Great ball, great ball, great ball, great ball, great ball.
Silver ball.
Ready, guys. Blizzard. Blizzard, everybody take attention. Who's got this dude over here?
Get way over.
All right. Everybody's looking at the ball. Look at that ball.
Big kick, Millen. Good job. Blue ball.
All right. Blue ball, blue ball.
Guys, cover blue. Kevin, come back. Kevin. Come back. Guys, cover blue. Kevin, come back. Come back more.
All right, Kyle, whenever you're ready, buddy. Nice pass. All right, mister. Take that, buddy.
Go, John. Go, guys.
Get in front of them. Get in front of them.
Come on back. Kevin, that's yours. Yes.
Nice,
Go,
Aiden.
Kevin.
Nice, cool.
Good job,
Come on,
man.
guys.
Go, Owen. All the way. All the way. Oh, you got it. Cut. Good job, Owen. Keep going. Stay hard up.
Oh, you're moving.
Oh, Belly!
Penalty.
Belly! Oh! Belly! Oh!
Be happy you were in the last game.
I used to know a guy that could do that down the wing.
Come on, ref! Belly, kick!
Oh, nice.
What is happening?
That was good. Big header.
Get in front of them. Get in front of them. Get in front of them.
Right off the goal kick.
Go,
Millen. Go. Run.
Good job. Sammy! Pass it, pass it.
Oh. I don't think Sammy meant to do that, but the goalie kicked it right at him.
All the way back. You can kick.
Bonked right off his head.
Right up, Blizzard. Go get him right away. Go get him. Go, Sammy!
Come on, guys. You got to chase that. You got to chase that.
Go, Ryan!
Nice, Aiden. Nice ball.
Pick it up, Aiden. Pick it
Nice,
up.
Aiden.
Well
Nice
done.
ball.
Good job. Going, yes, going.
You got to
Keep
chase
going.
that, Kyle. You got to chase that.
Get back.
Oh, yeah!